Here with the Workforce WF2750, and we'll show you the next part of this. On the side there is a place you can put your finger in to lift the top up, and if you look inside here, the cartridges are all the way to the right. You want to get them in that spot right there where it's cut out. See it right there? Turn the machine on and you're in setup. You want to hit OK over here, okay? And then you want to go down to maintenance, hit OK. You don't want that. You want to go to ink replacement, go there, and come over here to start, okay, and hit that, and it will align the ink cartridges where they want to be in the square notch right there. It gets a little tricky. You may want to go to ink cartridge replacement right away. You have to get to maintenance, okay? So just do it the way I showed you right there. I'll write the procedure down in the description as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.